In this video, we'll be trying to find the derivative of a to the power of x, where a can be any real number. Now, let's try to rewrite a to the power of x with a base e. Now, if we let y equal to e to the power of log e b, now e is the base, y is the answer, so we can write it down as log e y equal to log e b. So we're basically equating the powers. And therefore what we can now see is that y equals to b. So e to the power of log eb is the same thing as b, just rewritten in terms of in base of e. So if we rewrite a to the power of x, that will be e to the power of log e a to the power of x, because they're basically the same thing. Now before we move on, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now, by using log laws, we can say that log e of m power p, we can bring the power to the front. And so we can do the exact same thing, so now it's e to the power of x log e a. Now log e a is just a constant, so don't worry. So we will just use the chain rule, or just simply that the derivative of e to the power of bx, where b is just some real number, it would be b times e to the power of bx. Okay, we just use the chain rule just to make it clearer. So let u equal to x times log e a, because we have a function within a bigger function. That's basically the chain rule. So let u equals to x log e a, and let y equals to e to the power of u. Now, as what the chain rule says, we have to derive each individual one. So du dx, that is log e a, and dy du is just e to the power of u. Therefore, dy dx is e to the power of u times log e a. E to the power of u times log u. Alright, so let's sub in the u, so that will become e to the power of x log e a times log e a. And we know that e to the power of x log e a, that just becomes the same thing as a to the power of x. So a to the power of x times log e a. So this is the general formula for a to the power of x, the derivative of it. Now let's do an example. So if you try and find a derivative of 2 to the power of x, we just sub in 2 into a, so we just get 2 to the power of x log e2.